Hello, you're welcome back to our today's class on significant figures. When we're looking at division, if you have been following us in our channel, you'll find out that we have done the introduction, we have done the rules guiding significant figures, we have extended it to addition, subtraction, multiplication, and finally we are capping it with what? Division. We are ending it with division. Now, let's look at this. Firstly, let's solve. We are using our long division to see how we'll do it. But if you punch the calculator, I guess it's easier. Then from there, we'll round off. But let's try this. 9.32. This is the what? The dividend in there, and the divisor is out. Then let's divide. 3.2 going into 9, we'll have 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. This 6, that's 6.4. We take away. 3 take away 4 can't go. We are borrowing from 9 to the 8 here. Left with 8. Here is 13. We are bringing down 9. These are points. And then this is 2. So we are bringing down these 2 because 3.2 is bigger than 2.9. So let's have this. Still is still bigger. So for us to now divide it, we put our decimal here. 3.2 going into here is going to give us 0.9. The 0 point, we just put our 9 here. Are we there? 9 multiply this 3.2 here. 9 times 2 is 18. You have your 8. Carry 1. 9 times 3 is 27. Plus 1 is 28. Remember, the point is still there. You take away 2, take away 8. Can it go? No. We're borrowing from 9. This will remain with 8. And we have 12. 12 take away 8 is 4. For us to be able to clear it, we'll add our 0. Right? 3.2 going into 40. 3.2 going into 40. Going into 4.0. Sorry, this is 0.0. It will give us 1. 1 times 3.2 is 3.2, and we take away. This is 40, take away 32, or 4.0, take away 3.2. However, how you want to do it, but it's still the same answer. 0 can't take away 2, so we are borrowing from here to make it 10, and it's going to be 8. We still add our 0. 3.2 or 8 or 32 or 8.0, however you want to put it, going into here should be like twice, right? 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 3 is 6. Take away. You have 0, take away 4 can't go. The borrowing 1, this is 7 here, and 1, 10 here is what? 6. 10 take away 4 is 6. Then we add our 0. 3.2 going into this. Going into 160 will give us 5 times. 5 times 3.2 still give us this. And it has ended, right? We have cleared it to 0 because it has a decimal. Now our answer is 2.9125 as our answer. But is that our final answer? No. The question says it should have the one that has the least significant figures. That is how we are going to also end our answer. And here has 3. 1, 2, 3. And this one has 2. So it's 2 is ending here. Right? And the closest neighbor is 1. So it doesn't have any effect on the 9. So automatically our final answer rounded off is what? 2.9. Is this one tough? Let's do number 2 for better clarification. Let's look at number 2. We have 58.9 divide 2.5. The same method, right? Dividend inside, divisor out. 2.5 going into 58. Before we solve, you should know that here has three significant figures, while here has two. And our final answer should have the least of the significant figures, which is 2. So when we are done solving, we round it off to two significant figures. 2.5 going into 58, how many times it will come out? 23 times, right? It will come out 23 times. 23 times 2.5 is going to give us 57.5 here. 57.5 is all, that's what we are going to have when we multiply 23 by 2.5. Now we take away 8, take away 7 is going to give us 1 point. 9 take away 5 will give us 4. For us to be able to clear that, we put our decimal point here and add a 0, right? How many times will 2.5 go into 1.40? How many times will it go? It will go 0.56 times. If we use our calculator to punch it, it will go 0.56 times. So we'll put our 56 here, and 56 multiplied by 2. Remember, this is not up to a whole number. 2.5 is still going to give us 1.4. Add your 0 and take away, you have 0. 0, 0, 0 when you take it away. So now to bring down our answer, this divisor, we have 23.56 as our answer. But is that our final answer? No, it's not our final answer, because we have this which has two significant figures. Here is 4, this is 3, this is 2. So our answer should be two significant figures, and we're saying it is the whole number. But because of 5 is up to 5, this number here is up to 5, so it will have an effect here, and it will be plus 1. Then the final answer will be 24. The final answer will be 24. The division with, especially with decimals, is a little bit tough. Let me give you an activity for me to see whether you were able to learn anything from this lesson.